Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine over there. If you are new to my channel, then this is me Subha, heartily welcoming you all to my channel Subha Classes. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you all what are indicators and what are the various types of indicators. So let's get started. What are indicators? We can define indicators as the colored organic substances that are generally extracted from different plants, or they can also be synthesized in the laboratory. They help us to identify the acidic and basic nature of different substances. They also help us to represent the change in nature of the solution from acidic to basic and vice versa. Now, if we consider a few common examples of acid-base indicators, we can take example as Litmus, Methyl Orange, Phenolphthalein, red cabbage juice, turmeric juice, etc. and etc. Now, these are the very few common examples of acid-base indicators. Types of indicators. Generally, indicators are divided under two subheadings, namely natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Now, what is natural indicator? Indicators which are produced from natural sources are referred to as natural indicators. For example, we can take litmus, red cabbage juice, turmeric juice are certain few examples of natural indicators. Now, what are synthetic indicators? Indicators which are synthesized in laboratory are referred to as synthetic indicators. Some few examples are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. So, these are the two synthetic indicators. Natural indicators and its types. Litmus. Litmus is a purple dye which is extracted from lichen, a plant belonging to a variety Phenolphthalein. If this dye is deposited on a paper strip, it acquires a purple color. When this purple strip is dipped in water, which is regarded as neutral, there is no change in its color. When this purple strip is dipped in the aqueous solution of an acid, its color changes to red. In case the same is immersed or dipped in the aqueous solution of a base, the color becomes blue. If a blue litmus strip is dipped in an acidic solution, its color changes to red. And if the red strip is dipped in a basic solution, its color changes to blue. Red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice is extracted from the leaves of red cabbage. Its color remains red in the acidic medium but changes to green if the medium is basic or alkaline. Turmeric. Turmeric or haldi is a yellow dye, and in the acidic as well as neutral medium, its color remains yellow. In the basic medium, the color changes to reddish brown. Synthetic indicators and its types. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic organic dye in neutral or acidic solution. It is colorless, while in the basic solution, the color of indicator changes to pink. Methyl orange. Methyl orange is an orange colored synthetic dye and maintains this color in the neutral medium. In the acidic medium, the color of indicator becomes red, and in the basic medium, it changes to yellow. A table depicting some common acid-base indicators with characteristic colors in different medium. Olfactory indicators. Now, the next type of indicator is the olfactory indicator. Now, what is olfactory indicator? The term olfactory refers to the sense of smell. The naturally occurring substances which have different smell in acidic and basic medium are called olfactory indicators. Now, this type of indicator detect the presence of an acidic or a basic substance by the change of smell. Now, upon what theory does it work? They work on the theory that their smell can be detected only either in the presence of acid or base, and thus helps in detecting the nature of a particular solution. That means, basing on this theory, this type of indicators indicate the presence of an acidic or a basic substance. Now, what are certain examples of olfactory indicators? Certain examples are onion, vanilla and clove oil. These three are the basic common examples of olfactory indicator. Vanilla. The vanilla extract has a distinct, pleasant smell of its own. If we add a small amount of a base solution to the extract, then the smell of vanilla gets suppressed. However, on adding a small amount of acid solution to the extract, the smell does not get suppressed. Thus, vanilla extract helps in identifying an acid and a base. Please to like, share and subscribe to my channel Subha Classes, and do feel free to drop the feedback so that I can improve well. So keep shining, smiling and enjoy. Thank you so very much for watching my video.